This video will show you how to add content to your course. When you access your course, the course menu is on the left side of your screen. Content is added by the content editor. You can access the content editor by clicking on Content from the course menu or by clicking on a course menu item that you've created. Let's create a new course menu item and access the course editor to add content. So to do this, you click on the plus button, click on Content Area, type in the title of your new content area, click Available to Users if you want your students to have access, and then click Submit. Then your new content area item will show up on your course menu. When you go into your content area, you are taken to the content area for Unit 1. From here, we can add different types of content. In this video, we will add an item, file, content folder, blank page, web link, and YouTube video. You can find all of these under the Build Content menu. So first, to add an item, click on Item under the Build Content menu, type in the item name and description, and then you can select any attachments that you want to add, or select the view options for your students to have access to this item. When you are done editing, you can click Submit, and you have now created an item. Next, to add a file to your course, click on File under the Build Content menu, type in the file name, and select the file from either your course or from your computer. Then you can change the view options for your students, and when you are done, click Submit. You have now added a file to your Unit 1 content area. To create a content folder, click on Content Folder in the Build Content menu. Type in the name and description, and then you can again choose if students can view the content or if it is viewed during a certain time period. When you are done, click Submit. You have now added a content folder to your Unit 1 content area. To add content to this folder, click on the folder and you will see the Build Content menu where it was previously described. Next, you can add a blank page and add content to it. For example, a page that describes a class assignment. So to add a blank page inside the Unit 1 Assignments folder, you will go to the Build Content menu and click on Blank Page. Here, you can type in the name, and then a description of the content. You can again select the options for student view of this blank page or any attachments that you want to add from your computer or from the course. Then click Submit. You now have created a page. When students click on the title, a page with the description will appear. Next, to add a web link, click on Web Link under the Build Content menu. Type in the name of the link, and then simply go to your website, copy the URL, and paste it in the URL box in your course. Then you can add a description, you can select any attachments you want to add, and again view options for the students. When you're done editing, click Submit, and you have now added a web link to your Unit 1 content area. To add a YouTube link, click on YouTube Video under the Build Content menu. Here, you can search for the title of your video, and then you can preview or select the video. Once you select the video, you can rename it. You can add a description, and you can choose if students can view the YouTube video or if it is viewed during a certain time period. When you are done, click Submit. You have now added a YouTube video to your Unit 1 content area. If you already know what YouTube video you want to show and have the YouTube video link, you can also go to the Build Content menu, click on Item, and then type in the name of the video. Then go to the YouTube link, scroll down, and click the Share button, and then click on the Embed button. And then you can copy the HTML code, go back to your course, click on the HTML button, paste the codes from the video, and click Update. And then a yellow box will appear in the text area. You can again select attachments or view options for your students, and when you're done, click Submit. And right away it won't show up in your course, but if you click anywhere outside of your Unit 1 assignment area, and then go back to the Unit 1 assignment area, the video will be loaded. This video has shown you how to add content to your course. We added a new course menu item, and we also added an item, file, content folder, blank page, web link, and 2 different ways to upload YouTube videos into your course.